In this video, we're going to talk about one of the core features of NordVPN's Meshnet, remote device access, what it does and how it can be used, namely, accessing your PC or other network-attached devices remotely. The most common use case for this feature is accessing a remote desktop, so you can use your home PC from anywhere in the world. For remote access to work, both devices have to be running Meshnet and have the correct permissions enabled. A couple of things to keep in mind. You'll have to set up remote access on your local device first, then, once it's ready, you will need a remote desktop client. The most popular applications are AnyDesk, No Machine, and Windows Remote Desktop. Let me show you how to set it up with Microsoft Remote Desktop. I will be using a MacBook to remote into a Windows PC, so let's set it up first. Both devices have the NordVPN app installed, are logged in with the same account, and allow remote access within Meshnet. If you're also planning to remote into a Windows machine, make sure you enable the Remote Desktop feature first. Go to your Start menu and type in Remote Desktop. Then go to the Settings and make sure that the Remote Desktop feature is enabled. Now, onto the client device. Let's open up Microsoft Remote Desktop, another Windows PC by clicking the plus button. Then in the PC name field, paste the Nord name of the Windows device and add a user account with the same credentials used to sign into the PC. Once everything is ready, add the PC and double-click on it. Voila, that's it. For those of you who want to access Linux boxes without GUI, Meshnet is also a great choice. Ensure you have the Linux NordVPN app and Open SSH server installed on the Linux machine. Then, from another device also running Meshnet, you can simply SSH by using the target's Nord name, instead of the IP address. Personally, whenever I'm in a pinch, I use my iPhone to access my home lab server to restart a broken service or a Docker container. This approach lets me do it without opening or forwarding any ports, and it also fixes my dynamic IP address issues. Another great way to take advantage of Meshnet's remote access feature is self-hosting services. And there are so many things you can host yourself these days. Ad blockers, media servers, home automation, game servers, and even AI models. Anything goes here, really. Last but not least is using the remote device access feature to access embedded Linux devices. You can put Meshnet on such unusual devices as robot vacuums or Android-based car navigation head units. And why would you exactly want to do that? I mean, probably to see if you can do it, I guess. Either way, whatever device or service you want to access, Meshnet is here to help. And it requires minimal setup, works on most consumer devices right out of the box, and is absolutely free, no strings attached. And as with anything else, be sure to only share the remote access feature with the people you know and trust. It's been fun, but that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and leave a like if you found the video interesting.